Class science. Today we will discuss water for all. Today we will discuss 10th lesson water for all. Here see children, get set. Color the clouds blue for things which need water to live. Here given some things. Okay. Fish, baby, pencil and cat. Okay. Which one need water to live? You can fill color blue color. Okay. Here fish. Fish need water. Yes. You can this total cloud you can fill the blue color. Next, baby need water. Yes, fill the color blue. Pencil need water. No, it's a non-living things. Don't need water to live. Okay, it's a live it. Cat is a living. Yes, living animal. Yes, it's need a water. It's this cloud also fill color blue. Fish, baby, cat. These three fill the color blue color. Okay, let us read about water and why we need water. Today we will discuss. Peoples, animals, plants need water to live. Okay, there can be no life without water. Without water there can be no life. Water is used in homes, schools, offices, factories. Yes, water is used in homes, schools, offices, factories. Yes, and water, without water there is no life. Water is used in homes, schools, office and factories. Okay, we need water to drink. We need water to drink. We need water to bath. We need water to bath. And we need water to cook food. And we need water to washing clothes. Yes, without water we can do these all things? No. Here see, water for all. Peoples, animals, plants need water to live, and there can be no life without water. Water is used in homes, schools, offices and factories, and we need water to drink. We need water to bath. We need water to cook food, and we need water washing clothes. Okay, the water we drink should be pure. Water we drink should be pure and clean water. And boiling water is kills the germs. It is very healthy for boiling water. Okay na? Every day morning we drink boiling water. It kills the germs. Germs are the harmful to us. Okay, the germs are the harmful to us. Germs can make us sick. Germs are the harmful. Germs are make us sick. Can you understand, children? Water is used in homes, schools, office and factories. We need water to drink, to bath, cook food and washing clothes. Okay, pure and clean water. Okay, the water we drink should be pure and clean. Boiling water kills the germs. Okay, germs are caused the unhealthy, and germs can make us sick. Okay, we can also purify water. We can also purify water. We can also purify water by storing by storing it in water filter, by storing it in water filter. Can you understand, children? We can also purify water by storing it in water filter. Okay, once again here see, children, we need water to drink, we need water to bath, we need water to cook food, and we need water to wash clothes. Without water we can do these all things? No. Without water also there can be no life. Yes, and without air also there is no life. Okay, must and should, these two are very important in our life, water and air. Yes, children, water is used in all everywhere. Yes, homes, schools, offices, and water is need all living things. All living things need water. Yes, all living things need water to live. Okay, water for all peoples, animals, plants need water to live. Water is used in homes, schools, offices, and factories. Okay, we should be drink pure and clean water, and boiling water is kills the germs. Germs can cause sick. Okay, it is very unhealthy germs. Germs cause unhealthy, and we need water to drink, to bath, and to cook food and washing clothes also. Okay, next we can also purify water by storing in it water filters. Yes, tomorrow we will discuss where do we get water from and clean water, saving water. Tomorrow we will discuss. Okay, children, thank you.